Do you think machines will eventually, one day, be smarter than humans?
I don't think that's so well defined, because smartness isn't a kind of one-dimensional axis, and just like humans are, human intelligence, which word I don't want to use, isn't a one-dimensional axis. We're all good at bad at different things. If you specify a task like chess, yes, you'll make a machine which is better than humans, and that may happen for almost any activity. But from that, you shouldn't jump to the fact that the machines are smarter than us. Okay, so it's. I think the main question in the future is, who controls the world? I think obviously humans should keep control of the world. I don't think we've got much reason to fear that machines will want to seize control of the world. But we certainly shouldn't give control of the world to machines. That would be stupid for us, I think.
What about superintelligent machines? That concept appeared in your book, I think. You were quoting that concept.
But I reject it. So these theories of the singularity, which people have written over the years, that at some point, in your words, machines will become smarter than us, and at that point something terrible will happen. So I think those arguments are fallacious, because, for example, we've got no reason to believe that machines will be selfish unless we make them selfish. We don't have to give control to machines. So this idea that machines will take over, it's a very old one, but the old idea isn't because we have machines which are so super smart. So this is from the 19th century, the idea that humans find new technology so convenient that we kind of cede our life to it without realizing all the consequences. So cars, cell phones, computers. So it's not that these things take over because they're so smart and want to take over. Just that we find, say, cell phones so convenient that they control our lives,